Will it help us remind us of his goodness and his grace and his mercy? Because if it would do that for even just the membership, then an experiment like this is worth anything you can do. That's what one of the apostles told me. We want to have this kind of moment. Can it become delicious to us? Can we see God again in the scriptures? So I'm just going to play this, and I'll try to mute this. This is what 531 people and pages can look like. It takes 3.5 minutes to go through 531 individuals, 531 pages. The impact that this had is far greater than just the individuals we talked to. The testimonies that were rekindled from the students who participated in this, I don't know if you could put a value on that from what we were trying to accomplish as teachers here at BYU. What we want to be able to do in all of our teaching is remind people that God has put us here for a purpose. And he's given us opportunities to use all the skills and the talents and the beliefs and the talents that each one of us has been blessed with. He wants us to use that now for his purposes. When we talk about hastening the work, it isn't just about missionaries in full-time service, and it isn't just about what the church proper is going to do. They're encouraging each one of us to find ways that we can accelerate our own desire to share the gospel, to strengthen our own testimony, to engage people in ways that helps them see exactly what God wants them to do. Let us see ourselves in new light. Let us see what we might each be able to do. It was pretty remarkable when I know we're coming short on time. We won't have a lot of time for the formal keynote. But I just wanted to share with you each one that's here today, just how God wants each one of us to have an opportunity to see for ourselves what he sees in us. And for me, this project is what I got to see in that. And we got to see ways that as we experiment with him, as we prove him in his word and do the things that he wants, we can see some wonderful and beautiful miracles in our own lives. I have a testimony of that. And I'll let this just play itself out. We're in 470s, almost to 531. And that'll be my testimony for today.